with the energy of 100 million supernovae, gravitational waves may have ejected a supermassive black hole from the center of a distant galaxy. The Hubble Space Telescope spotted a rogue black hole that's said to be the largest yet to be found outside of a galactic core weighing more than 1 billion suns. Astronomers suspect the monster object was kicked out of the center as two large black holes merged, unleashing powerful gravitational waves. The find, according to NASA, was out of the ordinary. "When I first saw this, I thought we were seeing something very peculiar," said team leader Marco Guybridge of the Space Telescope Science Institute and Johns Hopkins University. "When we combined observations from Hubble, the Chandra X-ray Observatory, and the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, it all pointed towards the same scenario. The amount of data we collected, from X-rays to ultraviolet to near-infrared light, is definitely larger than for any of the other candidate rogue black holes." Hubble images in visible and near-infrared light revealed a bright quasar named 3C186 in a galaxy 8 billion light-years away. But the object was far from the galaxy's core. These are known to be energetic signatures of black holes and are typically found in the center. "I was anticipating seeing a lot of merging galaxies, and I was expecting to see messy host galaxies around the quasars, but I wasn't really expecting to see a quasar that was clearly offset from the core of a regularly shaped galaxy," Guybridge said. "Black holes reside in the center of galaxies, so it's unusual to see a quasar not in the center." The researchers investigated the phenomenon further, calculating the black hole's distance from the core by comparing the distribution of starlight in the host galaxy with that of a normal elliptical galaxy, and they found that it had traveled more than 35,000 light-years from the center, further than the distance between the Sun and the center of the Milky Way. Spectroscopic observations with Hubble and the Sloan survey allowed the team to estimate the black hole's mass, along with the speed of gas underneath. "To our surprise, we discovered that the gas around the black hole was flying away from the galaxy's center at 4.7 million miles an hour," said Justin Ely of STSCI. "The measurement also revealed that the black hole is moving fast enough to travel the distance from Earth to the Moon in 3 minutes." The discovery of faint, arc-shaped features known as tidal tails in the Hubble image reveal gravitational tug may have played a role in the black hole's bizarre placement. These features are created by the gravitational tug between two colliding galaxies, and the researchers say the 3C186 system may have merged with another, causing their two central black holes to merge. And when these two massive objects collided, they stopped producing gravitational waves. This would cause a newly merged black hole to recoil in the opposite direction of the strongest gravitational waves, and it would shoot off like a rocket. This asymmetry depends on properties such as the mass and the relative orientation of the black hole's rotation axis before the merger, said Colin Norman of STSCI and Johns Hopkins. "That's why these objects are so rare." The researchers say another explanation could be that the bright object does not reside within the galaxy, but is instead behind it. But they say the scenario is unlikely. If their hypothesis is correct, it would be strong evidence that supermassive black holes can merge. While others have been suspected, none have been confirmed.